All right, this is an exciting jambalaya problem, right? So what I recommend you do is we're going to use these three formulas. Power is work divided by time. Work is force times distance. And then either force is mg or force is mu times m times g, right? And since we're lifting the elevator, right, it's going to be this guy. If we're dragging, it would be this guy. So this is for dragging. This guy is for lifting, right? The reason why it's, by the way, a minimum power rating is that you'd have to have more power than this because there'd be friction and stuff like that. Okay, so let's see. We have the mass. I bet we can start with this. Let's do this. I think we do this one, then this, then this. Okay, so the first thing is force is mg because we're lifting. So 560 times 9.8. 54 newtons. And then the work is force times distance. So that's 54 times, how far is it? 35 meters. So times 35. Wow, that's a lot. That's 192,080 joules. And then power is going to be work divided by time. So that's 192,080, which is, by the way, on my calculator. So all I'm going to do is just hit divided by 78, right? That's our time. So divided by 78. And I'm getting 2,462.56 and some change, right? Now, watt is the unit of power, right? And this is about 24 watts. Okay. It sometimes helps to do work, force, distance, power, time, mass, mu, make a list of all the things that you have. And then if you look at the formulas, you'll see if you have 2 out of the 3, they all have, well, this one I guess has 4, right? But if you know everything but one thing in the formula, you can apply that formula. You can solve for it, right? So the only tricky thing is to read the problem well enough to tell whether you're lifting it, in which case you'd use this guy, or if you're dragging it, you better use that, right? Happy hunting.